playing Lock It Link here at Treasure Island. And let's see how we do. We put 20 bucks in. We're betting 50 cents. And we're looking for hearts. Three or more on the horizontal line. Right? You got it? Come on, right here. Oh, see, if we would have had one here, we would have been in the Lock It Link bonus. We're back even. We're trying to double our money. Oh, that's our bonus symbol. We need one here. Oh, jeez, almost. Come on, give us something good here. Oh, look. Yeah. I think that was good. That was, how much? Oh, 260. That's all right. Okay, we want hearts to line up. And the cool thing about this is you can change the denomination and your jackpots go up. Or the mini and the minor. But I've never hit those on this one. Okay, is it going to go into suck mode? This kind of is a hard game. Oh, you don't want to. Huh? Oh, no. No, I was saying, like, you should talk.
Hearts. I want hearts.
Oh, no. Now, this is a clone of Lightning Link somewhere over here.
Stop.
I should stop?
Yeah, I think it's stop with the machine.
Oh, I know what you mean. Like this? No. Elias wants to stop the rail. Oh. Wait, that's not a pay line? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, come on. Damn it. Oh. Come on, we want at least one Lock It Link within the 20, right?
Exactly. Give us something.
Now, if we get the bonus, we're going to do the Lock It Link. Because you can choose between Lock It Link and free games.
Now, what do you usually choose?
Lock It Link. Although the free games can be pretty profitable, but most of the time it's better just to do the Lock It Link. Come on. Oh. All right. We needed that. Come on, give me the... Oh, come on.
Let's get some of your money back.
No shit. Give me that fucking Lock It Link one time. Come on. Well, this isn't looking good. I'm below 10 bucks. Oh, come on. Oh, Jesus. All right. What do you think, Elias?
I think maybe cash out around when you're about $5.
No, I'm going all the way.
You are? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you get all of your money back and then some.
Oh, the lights come on before the...
There it goes.
Yes,
There
we
goes.
got it. Now we're going to do the Lock It Link.
Excellent choice.
All right, here we go. We're going to select Lock It Link. So, come on, all four of them. Oh, okay. So as long as we add to this Lock It Link, it will reset our spins. Okay? And we want them one at a time because every time you get one, it adds 50 cents to each one of these.
Okay.
So you would like the prime would be getting them one at a time.
Okay, great. Good
All
luck.
right, here we go. Come on.
Good luck. You got this.
All right, there we go. That's perfect.
Great start. Great start.
So the only ones that won't count are the diagonals or the corners right now because they don't connect.
to the rest of the
Right.
link. I see.
All right. Let's put
Lower level.
Oh, okay, one at a time. That's what we want. We don't want like multiples coming at once.
Correct.
There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Looking good.
All right.
Starting
Now in the bonus, I don't believe the jackpots are available. If you pick the Lock It Link, you have to get it in the base game, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I think it said that in the help.
Okay.
There we go. See, now our spins reset. Beautiful. beautiful.
That's terrific.
Look at those amounts.
That's great.
Keep going. Come on.
That's how you get your money back here.
Yes. Oh, yes. Come on. One at a time. That's the way you want it. Now this corner counts.
Get that thing.
Oh, come on. Hopefully that's not our only one.
Bottom right, maybe.
Come on. Connect it right here. Is this our last spin? Shit. Did we double?
Maybe.
No.
Well, you made $10 because you're about 30.
Oh, I did. Nice.
Good job. It's a fun bonus level there.
See, the locket link's fun. All right. $25 on that, $33. Our first game here at Treasure Island. All right, we're gonna play this down to 30 and see if we can get another locket link. Oh. See how the light comes on before it lands? That's kind of weird. Okay, one more spin. One more spin. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Oh. All right, we made $10 here at Treasure Island. That's Locket Link. Okay, we are at the Venetian. I'm going to play this one, but Elias got some. I don't know what. Oh, you did it on 20 bet? All right, we're doing minimum here. I think that's wild, I guess. I've never played this. Extra bonus wild, Birds of Prey. We're looking for the eggs. You're looking for pops. Oh, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, we got it! Oh my god. I just put $5 in here. Oh, you got it again. Come on. A ton of wilds, Elias. Come on. More. Alright, we won 8 free games here. Let's go. $5 in here. We're trying to start low and build up our bankroll here. So far it looks like a shitty bonus. Come on, I'll re-trigger. Did that do? Nope, that didn't do anything. This sucks. Last spin, do something good. Yes! Come on, do something cool. That's it? Okay, final game, come on. Ah, you suck. We only won $2.70. We're back at our $5. Come on, again. Make up for that shitty bonus. Oh, no. Nothing. Oh god. Oh shit, that's all it paid? Oh, this sucks. I'm done. Last spin, do something cool. Damn it. Alright, we lost $5.